Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So another day, another transformation. Don't forget to give this video a like. It helps with algorithm. So we're going to start off with priming our face. So I'm going to start off with this illegal primer. This is a color correcting primer. And then I'm going to be using this Fit Me by Maybelline around my T-zone area. This is because I have an extremely oily face, especially around my T-zone area. So to minimize that, I use powder before foundation. And for foundation today, I'm going to be using Zaron foundation. I think it's now time to use a different foundation. I've used this foundation for so long. But anyway, for now, we're going to use this Zaron foundation because it works for me. So this is what I'm going to be using. And to blend today, I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender to blend in. And when you're blending, you just tap it in, you don't drag. And then to highlight, I'm going to be using a Legal Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Fawn to highlight. Blend, 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 blend everything. And this is what we have so far. So I'm then going to use a lighter concealer to highlight. And I'm just highlighting the inner corners. And then blend, 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 blend. After that, I'm going to be using this. This is a Legal Pro finishing powder, and I'm just going to use it everywhere where I used a concealer to highlight. I'm going to use that powder. Then to contour. So contouring is really important in this look, and I'm not going to contour below my cheekbone. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do it on top of my cheekbone. And this is what we have. So then I'm going to contour my nose, and I start from my brow bone going all the way to the tip of my nose. And then after that, I'm going to draw my eyebrows, and I'm using Davis eyebrow pencil. This is in number 003, and I start lining the bottom part and then the top part. And then after that, fill in, and still using the same eyebrow pencil. And then on the front part, yes, I'm going to be using Maybelline brow gel so that I can draw hair like structures and my eyebrows won't look like they're a block. To clean up, I'm using a Legal Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Cool Tan to clean up and make my eyebrows look neat. And when you're cleaning up your eyebrows, it's not like you're just going directly where you drew that brow. No, slightly below where you drew your eyebrows, that's where you actually go in with that concealer to clean it up. And then blend that concealer before it dries up, because if it dries up, let me tell you, you'll have a challenge with blending it. So always blend it before it dries up. So don't take too much time before blending it, because it will give you a rough time blending. For lashes, I'm using a 6D mink hair lashes, and what I normally do is I place them at the middle part, and then start pressing in with my tweezer from the outer corner going to the inner corner, exactly as I'm showing you in this video. And I used Lanel hair bonding glue. I love using a Lanel hair bonding glue because you don't have to wait for it to get tacky. Immediately you just apply the glue, you can directly place it. Yes, unlike the dual lash glue, which I use sometimes, especially with clients. And this is what I have so far. I love it. For lips, I'm starting off with a brown pencil. This is by Davis in the number 003. And I'm using it to line my lips first. After that, I'm going to be using this lipstick. This is in the shade Seductress. This is by Maybelline. And then use this lipstick. This is a chocolate shade. Actually, it smells like chocolate. It smells so nice. And I'm just going to apply it around the outer part of my lips. And then blend using a brush, a tiny brush. I'm going to blend everything in. And then after that, I'm going to use this maroon shade. I'm going to use it as a blush. So in this look, a blush is really important. So I'm just going to use this shade as a blush, and I'm just not going to apply too much of it. Just a little is enough, slightly above where we applied our contour shade. And this is what we have so far. This is what I have so far. So I'm next going to set that makeup and then apply a gloss. I rarely wear glosses on my videos. I don't even think that I have a video that I have a gloss. I think I have one, but I don't have a lot of videos that I wear gloss. I don't love glosses, but for this look we had to wear a gloss, and this is the final look, guys. Tell me your views on the comment section. Also, don't forget to give this video a like because it really helps with analytics. Yes, it really helps. Also comment, it helps with engagement. Please interact with my videos. Any video that you would like to see on this channel, please feel free to tell me on the comment section and I'll definitely do it for you. Thank you so much for all your support. I really don't take it for granted. And until next time, see you on the next one. I hope you've subscribed, liked, and left a positive comment on the comment section. So I think that's just it for this video. Yeah, I was just trying to be a model, but at this rate I don't think I can be one. I don't know how to pose, but yeah, thank you so much. Bye.